Clouding is the act of performing computational tasks over the cloud-based resources delivered by the means of Internet. The computing services, like servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, etc. are delivered on demand to the user through Internet. On demand means that the resources are allocated as soon as the user asks for them. We can define cloud computing as a computing paradigm that enable universal, convenient, on-demand network access to the shared pool of computing resources that could or could not be configured and can be rapidly provisioned and released as per the user requirement. According to Rees, there can be defined three criteria to distinguish whether a service is delivered in cloud computing style. 1. The service is accessible via a web browser or a web application programming interface. 2. Zero capital investment is necessary to get started. Lastly, user only pay for what is being used. In our daily life, we use multiple cloud-based services and we are not even aware of some. For example, we use Google Drives, Dropbox, OneDrive for uploading and downloading data. We surf websites and use a number of web-based applications like word processors, editing tools, email applications, and many more. Games that we play online is another example of cloud computing operations in our daily life. We use internet-based instant messaging apps, video calling apps and various other communication services which are mostly hosted in cloud servers and are example of cloud computing. Similarly, there are a number of examples that resembles cloud computing operations in daily life. Please note that the cloud computing is not restricted up till here, there are vast range of its application which we will see in further modules.